Hello everyone. Today we shall see that how do we evaluate the exit Mach number for a rocket nozzle for given area ratio, that is exit area to throat area ratio, and the ratio of specific heats of exhaust gases gamma. The equation is given like this, and this equation is derived by taking mass conservation law and assuming that total pressure and total temperature remains constant throughout the nozzle. Also, we put the condition of Mach number being unity at the throat location. Here in this formula we can see that given AE by AT and gamma, we cannot directly solve it for exit Mach number. To solve this equation, we will take help of Excel software, and for this first we copy the formula to an Excel sheet. We put the value of AE by AT as 5, the value of gamma is taken as 1.4. The guess value for exit Mach number has to be put, and here we put the guess value as 4. Now we write in description left hand side, which is AE by AT, and we put it equal to B2, that is the value of AE by AT, and then we write right hand side, which is the big expression here, and we need to be very careful in putting this expression. So let us put this expression. Wherever in confusion, just put brackets. Now after putting it, we get a value, that is 10.719. Now put the difference delta of both left hand side and right hand side. This can be written as equal to B5 minus B6. We can make this value delta 0 by adjusting exit Mach number, but it is a cumbersome work. So we just go to the data function of Excel, and here we go to what if analysis and goal seek. In goal seek, we set the cell B7 to be equal to 0, and we tell it by changing cell B4, that is exit Mach number. Clicking it, we get the value of, we say OK, and we get the value of exit Mach number as 3.174 for AE by AT is equal to 5. Now we change it to 6. But the problem is in Excel that it automatically doesn't change. It shows that delta value is 1 now. So again we go to what if analysis, go to goal seek, again tell set cell B7 to 0 by changing the cell value B4, and clicking OK, we get that the exit Mach number value becomes 3.3678. Now we just can check by changing gamma value from 1.4 to 1.67, and again we go to goal seek, and again we set B7 as 0 by changing B4 value and telling OK. We get higher Mach number 4.11. So this is one method of directly getting the value of exit Mach number for given AE by AT and gamma values for a rocket nozzle flow. Thanks for watching.